Hello everybody, my name is Nick Martinez. I'm here at MarineMax Brick. I want to give you a quick walk around. This is the 2022 19SPX Outboard. This one's being featured with the Sea Ray hull side blue coloring. Very pretty, looks amazing in the light. We're going to start off right back here on the swim platform. You're going to notice that this is called Sea Deck. It's glued down material. It is an option for the 190SPX. Now you're going to see it all across the swim platform and through the port walkway. Very nice material. I'll show you where it ends in a minute. Right here at our power plant, this is the 150 Mercury outboard. These come standard with the 115 horsepower. We've opted to order this one with the optional 150. Gives it nice power on the water. You're going to experience around 45 to 48 miles per hour when up on plane. Right here on the port side, you're going to notice a 4-step ladder. It used to be a 3-step ladder. They opted for the 4-step ladder. It gives it more stability when coming out of the water. Walking onto the boat, nice plastic handrails here. You got your ski tow, perfect for tubing, wakeboarding, and skiing. Right on the port side, you're going to open up a compartment here. This one is optioned with the 2 battery tray, and you're going to have standard, your battery switches right here. Igloo provided by Sea Ray. Coming into the cockpit of the boat, get a nice good look. You can see the infinity snap-in flooring. It accommodates the seating color quite nicely. Nice stone interior with gray flooring. Right here underneath the sun pad, ample storage. Since it's an outboard, instead of an engine being here, you have storage both sides. You can see we're storing our cockpit covers, bimini top, and our bow filler cushions. You can put whatever you like in here. Ample storage throughout the boat underneath the rear seating of the cockpit here. Moving to the helm, bucket seat comes standard, rotates. Drop down bolster for your helm seating. At the helm, we have our 5-inch Simrad display, chart plotter, depth finder, navigation, tachometer on the left side, fuel and power on the right side. Upgraded Fusion stereo system. Walking over to the bow area, ample seating. You're going to notice a nice round oval shape. No longer does the Sea Rays come to a point. Very comfortable to seat in. You can sit at least 3 grown personnel here comfortably. Right on the port side, this boat comes with transitional seating. So right now we have a port side seat facing forward, but if you lift up the passenger cushion, you have this addition that flips over, snaps in place right there, creates a nice lounge area. Very comfortable love seat, can sit about 2 or 1 comfortably. This concludes the 2022 190SPX Outboard walkthrough. If you have any more questions or would like to see any more of our inventory, please give us a call. This is MarineMax Brick in New Jersey. Thank you for watching.